Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Good morning. A live check outside here in Lexington this morning. Filtered sunshine by some high clouds that are coming through the state. We'll see filtered sunshine through a good part of the day, but late afternoon, the clouds start to thicken up, meaning that we'll see a little less of sun by late today. Overall, though, a nice Friday. It's starting off on the cool side, but this is much warmer than it was earlier in the week when we had low temperatures and morning temperatures down into the 20s. So those 50s, we're starting off warmer, meaning we're going to obviously end warmer later into the day. Cold front to the north works its way down to the south late today. Yes, turning at times, mostly cloudy into the afternoon. By the evening and nighttime, as the front's coming south, you see a few spotty showers or storms along the front. Best chance for those looks to be in far eastern Kentucky, kind of riding very close to the Kentucky and West Virginia state line. Then those push down to the south. I anticipate this model here for Saturday is a little overdone with showers and storms to the south. There may be a shower Saturday morning in southern Kentucky still, but as the front keeps pushing south by the afternoon, I think most of the showers and storms during the afternoon Saturday are in Tennessee and south of us. We go through the day Sunday. Look at this. Sunday's going to be beautiful. Most of the day is likely even cloud-free. We get into the afternoon. Clouds increase, showers and storms start to move in here by Sunday evening and taking us into Sunday night. Then the front goes south, and by the time we wake up on Monday, I think all of the rain, or at least most of it, is out of here. I've lowered the rain chance for Monday. So any severe weather with these couple of fronts coming south, there's a very low-end chance here that we may get a stronger severe storm out of this mix with the one that comes through tonight. That is a very isolated event, and if there is any severe weather, it will likely be more into West Virginia. Low chance. Sunday, little higher chance. Most of our areas in a level 1 risk. Far northern counties, level 2. Here's how Sunday looks right now, okay? I think this system is low end with wind energy that would help to drive some severe storms. We'll have wind, we'll have energy from the heating of the day, which could lead to a few strong, maybe a severe storm. I still think the greatest energy for storms to work with, though, will be the Ohio River and north. That's late Sunday. We'll keep an eye on it. No really severe weather to even be concerned with during the day. Breezy, warm. Tonight, isolated shower, storm chance, mostly cloudy. We're in the 50s. Hey, LSC, the women are in action Saturday, 5 p.m. at LSC Stadium, taking on Fort Lauderdale United. Nice weather. Look at this. 70s throughout the balance of that game. Very nice. Don't forget your sunglasses. 7-day forecast looking into the weekend. There's the 70s tomorrow. Sunday, record highs are possible. We could be seeing highs that make their way into the low and mid 80s. Windy day on Sunday. Storms by the evening and nighttime. Then Monday, morning shower chance. It is cooler to start off next week.